Hey boys and girls, welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. Here is the do now. What you need to do is get 100%. All right, here's the first question. Woo! Which of the following expressions is equivalent to this negative 4x to the third minus 12x to the third plus 9x squared? Is it F, G, H, J, K? Go! All right, let's see what it is. Well, we combine like terms, the like terms of the same variable to the same power, the same variable to the same power. And so it looks like these two are like terms. So negative 4x to the third and negative 12x to the third are like terms. This is x squared, so I'm not putting that together. So negative 4 minus 12 is negative 16x to the third plus 9x squared. These are not like terms, so that should be the final answer. Dun, 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 dun. Oops, sorry. So the answer would be J. Nice. Okay, let's try another one. Whoop, right here. Okay. Ooh, box method. What's the answer here? A, B, C, D, E. Ready, set, go. All right, let's see what we got. Okay, so this is like the distributive property, but you need to do it twice. And so in order to do it twice as nice, we always do the box method, easier way to do it. So I'm going to put 4C minus 3D up here. And here I'm going to put 3C and put D right there. Okay, 4C times 3C, 4 times 3 is 12. C times C is C squared. All right, negative 3D times 3C. Negative 3 times 3 is negative 9. C times D, those are different numbers. And so you're just multiplying those two different numbers together, C times D. This right here, 4C times D. So 4C, I'm going to put 4C first. Always put the number first, usually 4C times D. You don't know what these numbers are, but they're different. You're going to multiply them together. C could be 5, D could be 10. You don't know. 5 times 10, whatever it is. Negative 2 times 3, whatever. Ooh, negative 3. This is 1D, right? Negative 3 times 1 is negative 3. D times D is D squared. Cool. Okay. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. So similar to this one right here, we're going to combine the like terms. So 12C squared. CD, these are the like terms, so negative 9CD and 4CD is negative 5CD. And then negative 3D squared is the final answer. Let's see. It may be in a different order, but I don't know. Let's see. Oop, did it again. So we got 12C squared minus 5CD minus 3D squared. So C is the answer. Yay! Okay, here's the next one. Solving this equation for x, what do you get? F, G, H, J, K, go! All right, here we go. Put a line down the equal sign so I don't combine like terms over the equal sign. First step, oh yeah. Whoop, whoop. I'm going to distribute. Negative 3 times 4x is negative 12x. Negative 3 times negative 5 is positive 15. Equals, whoop, whoop, distributive property over here, 2, yeah. 2 times negative 5x is negative 10x, cool, cool, cool. All right, so I'm going to try and get all the x's on one side. So they're both negative, so I'm just going to add 12x to this side right here. And I have 15 equals 2, negative 10x plus 12x is positive 2x. Now I need to get rid of this 2 because I need the x's alone. So 15 minus 2 is 13. This is 2x divided by 2. And I get 13 over 2 equals x. Let's see what we got. Okay, yeah. Cool, hopefully got 100% so far. Let's try one more. Get it right, let's try it. Ooh, the slope, changing y over changing x between those 2 points is? I don't know, let's see. So, I always like to do charty chart with my number line. So I have negative 2, 1, and 2, negative 5. The change in y going from 1 to negative 5 is negative 6. Negative 2 to 2 is 4. And so the slope is -6, change in y, or rise over run. Oh, simplify, cut them in half. So it'd be -3/2. Yeah, there we go. So answer is D. Nice job. Keep it going.